If you're dealing with an Epic Games error and nothing seems to be working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These methods can help with launcher issues, login problems, game launch errors, and general Epic Games glitches on Windows. We'll start with the fastest fix and move through the deeper ones so you can get back into your games as quickly as possible. And if this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most common fixes because old cache files can cause the launcher to freeze, crash, or fail to load properly. To do this, close Epic Games completely. Make sure it is not just minimized, it needs to be fully closed. Then press Win+R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. In the folder that opens, look for the Epic Games folder. Open it, then find the Epic Games launcher folder and delete it. This clears out the local cache and forces the launcher to rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After that, restart Epic Games and check if the error is gone. If the error is still there, the next step is to run Epic Games as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher needs extra permissions to access files, update games, or complete login processes. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator and check that box. Click Apply, then OK. Now open the launcher again and test it. This simple change often fixes permission-related launch errors. Next, if the issue is happening with a specific game, you should verify the game files. Corrupted or missing files are a very common reason for Epic Games errors. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is causing the issue, click the three dots next to it, select Manage, and then click Verify. Epic Games will scan the game files and automatically repair anything that is damaged or missing. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, but it is absolutely worth doing. If nothing has changed yet, force close the launcher and reopen it. Sometimes the app gets stuck in the background even when it looks closed. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes list, look for Epic Games Launcher, click it, and then choose End Task. If you see any related Epic processes, close those too. Once everything is shut down, reopen Epic Games and try again. This can clear out temporary hangs and refresh the connection. Another important thing to check is the Epic Games server status. If the launcher is fine, but Epic servers are down or having issues, you may see login errors, store problems, or game launch failures that are not caused by your computer at all. Open a browser and search for Epic Games status or check their official status page if available. If the servers are experiencing issues, the best solution may simply be to wait until Epic fixes it on their side. You should also make sure your graphics drivers and system drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause game launch errors, black screens, crashes, and compatibility problems with the launcher. If you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, open the official driver app or website and install the latest update for your GPU. After updating, restart your computer so the changes fully apply. This step is especially important if the error started after a Windows update or a new game install. If you've tried all of that and the error is still showing up, restart your PC and test Epic Games again after a clean reboot. A full restart can clear background conflicts, refresh services, and fix temporary Windows issues that may be interfering with the launcher. In many cases, combining a cache clear, admin permissions, and file verification solves the problem completely. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are: clear the Epic Games cache, run the launcher as administrator, verify your game files, force close the app in Task Manager, check Epic server status, and update your drivers. These are the best first steps for solving most Epic Games errors without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy fixes and gaming troubleshooting guides. And if you're still getting an error after trying these steps, leave a comment below with the exact message you're seeing and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.